Hi friends, Namaskar. Myself Advocate Pragya Bhushan, your friend, your coach, your mentor. I'm here again amongst you with a new technique for law of attraction, for visualization, and how you can make your manifestation more effective and faster to achieve your dreams, your desires, and your wishes very fast through law of attraction. Friends, if you are coming for the first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you are updated with the latest videos and you can update yourself with the new techniques of law of attraction which will help you in fulfilling your dreams and desires through this law of attraction with these manifestation techniques. Friends, so coming back to our manifestation techniques, today I am going to tell you how you can achieve all your dreams and desires with just one glass of water. How you can achieve everything in your life with just one glass of water. So please stay till the end to know how you can make your manifestation faster with a glass of water which you keep on drinking throughout the day, at least 10 to 12 glasses of water. So how those 10 to 12 glasses of water can make you realize your dreams faster. So what you have to do is, friends, first thing which you need to do is take a paper. Take a blank paper. Next thing what you need to do is you have to take a pen and then write your wish. Write your wish on this blank paper. So friends, I have written my wish. You can also write your wish on this blank paper. What you have to do is your wish should be in capital letters so that you can clearly read out your wish loudly or in your heart. But you can read it out very, very clearly. Secondly, the wish which you are writing has to be in present tense or present continuous tense. Means, suppose if you are writing, I hope I will get it, I wish I will get it, or I should get it, means you are not 100% sure about your dream or your desire being realized. When it is in present tense, means you are already receiving it and you can feel that particular feeling of receiving or of your gift. So it should be in present tense. But some people feel that if we write our wish or if we say our wish in present tense, then we are unable to trust it that clearly, because what happens is, suppose if you are very fat and you are wishing to be a slim and perfect fit body. So if you look at yourself and you are saying I am slim, your heart, your mind, your subconscious won't believe whatever you are saying because you are actually not slim. In that particular case, it should be in present continuous tense. Means you are saying, oh, I am getting slimmer, I am getting fitter. Or suppose if you want lot of money in millions and billions, so your mind is not ready to accept that you have already got it. But your mind can always accept it. Yes, I am receiving money from all the sources. Yes, I am receiving lots and lots of money from all the resources of this world which universe is giving me. So either your wish should be in present tense or in present continuous tense. Then only your subconscious will believe that yes, actually you are receiving it. Your feelings would be stronger and your acceptance of that particular wish or desire would be stronger. So the first step is over. You have written your wish in present or present continuous tense on this paper. The next step you have to do is take a glass and pour water into the glass. And once you have poured water into the glass, you have to bring the glass and put it on the paper. The paper can be folded or it can be open. That doesn't matter, but you have to put the glass on the paper. Next thing what you need to do is, friends, everything is energy. We all know that everything is energy. Even our body, which is in molecular structure of different kinds, is an energy. And we have to generate an energy of positivity, of fulfilling our desire. So we are going to rub our hands vigorously until it becomes a little warm, then warmer. You can do it with me if you want to. You have a glass of water, you have written your wish on the piece of paper. Now just keep rubbing your hands until it becomes warm, and then after some time it's getting hotter. Some people will take a little more time to get your hands hot, but some people already have a lot of energy inside them, and by rubbing their hands they can feel that it has become already hot. And then what you have to do is, the energy has been generated and you have to put your hand around the glass and you have to feel the energy flowing from inside the glass to your hand, and from your hand inside the glass, inside the water. Now you have to visualize your dream, your desire, what you have written on the piece of paper on which this glass is lying. Start visualizing with your open eyes or with closed eyes. Your energy is flowing from your hand into the water, and the visualization which you are already doing by closing your eyes is moving to your hands because it's already very hot, and you can feel the energy flowing from your mind through visualization to your hands, and that energy flowing into the water from your hands. You can do it for a minute, for 2-3 minutes, for 5 minutes, until you actually can see a light, a bright light moving from your mind into the water, and water becoming brighter and brighter. And then what you have to do is, friends, you have to drink the water. And say, thank you, thank you, thank you, universe, for fulfilling my dream. And friends, I am very sure that your dream will be fulfilled very, very fast through this manifestation technique of a glass of water. Most probably, this technique can be used either early in the morning with your first glass of water, or you can do this technique late at night during your bedtime with the last glass of water of the day. But if it is possible, then you can do this technique, repeat this technique with every glass of water you drink while you are alone, when nobody is there to disturb you, and you can visualize with proper focus. So this was the technique, friends, to fulfill all your dreams with just single glass of water. If you like this, please don't forget to like the video, share this video with your friends so that they are also benefited with this particular technique of manifestation and get their dreams and desires manifested with greater speed, with lightning speed. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will keep on getting more updates about such techniques where you can manifest your dreams with faster speed. Till then, thank you, namaskar, Shabba Khair.